So today, early this morning, the contractor of the open well arrived and they're going to start for the open well. And it is lucky because we found out that there is a water down from the ground and it is not too deep. It is only like estimated for 2 to 3 meters deep down, but I told them to as much as possible they are going to make it more deeper so we can have more stocks of water in case. And soon we are going to put a water pump or a motor, so it will be automatically the water will supply direct to the house. Ayan na sila, oh. Sisimula na sila. Dito. Dito siya kanang marami pa siyang puno. Kailangan pang linisin kasi ano ato eh. Open farm. This was a rice field before for like 5 years ago. Ngayon ay kuan na siya kanang nagiging forest na. Sabah. At ngayon babalik ako doon sa bahante namin sa bahay para mag-monitor. Tapos babalikan ko na lang sila mamaya. ₱15,000 partial payment sa kuan kanang patabay, no? So ang kulang na ako dong is 25,000. O sige, salamat kay Edong, ha.
Shout out to Aga Richard.
Lalain na siya na siya. Ilain ang yuta, no? Nindot ang yuta, no? So mauna na siya. Ano yung yuta di? Ano, mura siya gold, no? Charot. Orange ang color niya, oh. Siguro na ay gold rin, no? Charot. Kay yellow iyang kuan yuta, no? Ay marag orange. Butangaran mo maligam-gam na tubig pag nabingi ka. So mao ni siya first day na progress nila kahapon. So kuan tomorrow update na po nako ang pang second day ngayon.